A very good evening to all you lovely ladies out there. So I'm aware that some of you might be thinking that stock market is not meant for women because it's basically too complicated and it's for experts. So if you're someone who has a thought like this, then I want to talk to you straight from my heart. See, stock market is not only for experts. Stock market is specifically designed for women like us, because women like us are nurturing, thoughtful, and we're very, very intuitive. So the markets are intended for people like us so that we can change our families, our lives. So if you're a woman who is someone like me, who's analytical and who really wants to make a difference to your family, then I have designed a masterclass specifically for women like us. In this session, I will be guiding you through 3 concepts. The first one is I will be talking about 3 simple strategies, which are long-term strategies which you can use for positional trading. And these strategies are very low stress. So since these are long-term strategies, the stress quotient is actually very, very low while you execute these strategies, and therefore it is very, very beginner friendly. So even if you're someone who has absolutely no idea about the capital markets, you can still attend this webinar and you can gain a lot of knowledge from it. So the second thing we will be looking into is the concept of technical analysis. So how it is actually a method to understand the market behavior, and also I hope that I will be able to make you see that doing technical analysis is not only simple but also it is a very, very enjoyable process. The third thing I want to do in this session, the third concept which we'll be looking into, is price action techniques. See, price action is basically the core pillar of technical analysis. If you're able to crack price action, you crack the markets. Because price action is basically the study of price behavior using patterns and charts. So I will show you how simple price action techniques which you can use to understand the market behavior or the price behavior, so that you can take informed long-term decisions for your trading or investing. More than anything, this masterclass is about helping you see the market clearly and see the potential which is lying within you with your own eyes. So you don't have to have a financial background in order to attend this webinar. You can be absolutely beginner. You just have to have a basic interest in stock markets and to study the markets and to probably do some kind of trading or investing action in the markets. If you have some interest like that and you're a complete beginner, you can absolutely attend this webinar. It will be very, very helpful for you. And you don't have to have a lot of time in order to execute these positional trading strategies. So even if you have very little time, speaking about time, as a mother of 2, I actually don't have time at all. So that's why positional trading is very effective for me, and I hope to teach the same for you as well. And lastly, all you need is a little bit of guidance. I want you to understand that you can do this. You can do positional trading and make a lot of money from the markets, provided you have a little bit of guidance and the belief that you actually can achieve this. So if you have these 3 things, you are most welcome to the webinar. And just because this webinar is designed for women doesn't mean it's only for women. Males or men are also welcome for this. The core aim of this masterclass is to help you realize that yes, this is something that I can do. I understand this. I can do this, and I think this is the right time for me to begin. So to get you to that point is the core aim of this masterclass. I have to say, I can't wait to truly share this journey with you, and I'm really looking forward for this masterclass.